Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to connect Golf Clash with Facebook. To connect Golf Clash with your Facebook account and start playing, first of all, open the Golf Clash application on your mobile device and from the home page, tap on the gear button at the top left corner. This will open up the settings menu where you'll need to tap on Account. Inside the Account option, tap on Secure Your Account. Now in the pop-up, you have an option to sign in with Facebook, sign in with Apple, or sign in with Google Play. You also have more options such as email and with phone. To connect Golf Clash with Facebook, tap the Sign in with Facebook option. Now in the pop-up, click the Continue button so that it takes you to facebook.com login page. Now, sign in with your Facebook account's email and password, and once you do that, you can then tap the Continue button on the next page so that you can let Golf Clash get access to your Facebook account. Now click on the Open button in the pop-up so that you can easily log in or connect Golf Clash with Facebook. After connecting, your progress will be saved and you can play with Facebook friends. So that is how you easily connect Golf Clash with Facebook. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.